severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Fenimore, or 16 miles northeast of Lancaster, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dodgeville around 6:25 p.m. Mineral Point around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Black Hawk Lake Rec Area, London, Cobb, Governor Dodge St. Park, Edmond, Highland, and Centerville. Other landmarks included are the following location: Iowa Grant School. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Tornado possible.